In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supliful to Shopify and fulfill your orders seamlessly. If you're looking to streamline your business operations and ensure a smooth workflow from product selection to customer delivery, you've come to the right place. First, let's begin by logging into your Supliful account. Once you're in, it's essential to make sure you have everything set up correctly in your Supliful dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new. This will help you navigate through the steps more efficiently. Now, head over to the Settings section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice a variety of platforms listed, but today we'll focus on Shopify. Click on Shopify and then press the Connect button. This step might open a new window or tab, leading you to the Shopify apps page where you can authorize Supliful. If prompted, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, since this will allow the connection to be established smoothly. You might see a few prompts asking for permissions from Supliful. Be sure to grant these, as they are necessary for the system to operate correctly. These permissions might include access to product details and order management, crucial for maintaining the linkage between the two platforms. Once you've given the necessary permissions, return to your Supliful dashboard. You should see a confirmation that Shopify has been successfully connected. This integration allows you to import products directly from Supliful into your Shopify store, a huge time saver and a step towards optimizing your e-commerce operations. Next, on your Supliful dashboard, you'll want to select the products you wish to import. Navigate to the Products section and browse the offerings. When you find a product you like, click Add to Store. Ensure that the product details such as descriptions and pricing align with your expectations before proceeding. Supliful will automatically handle shipping rates for these products, simplifying the selling process on your Shopify store. Now let's talk about order fulfillment. Once a customer places an order through your Shopify store, it will automatically sync with your Supliful account. This is the beauty of having the two accounts linked. In your Supliful account, navigate to the Orders tab. Here, you'll see any new orders that have been generated from your Shopify store. Check the details to ensure everything is correct, and then click Fulfill Order. Supliful does the heavy lifting by handling the production and shipping directly to your customer. By following these steps, you've connected Supliful to Shopify and set up an efficient system to fulfill your orders, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy selling!